How to use Google Maps offline. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on using your Google Maps offline. Let's get started. First thing first you need to do is go ahead and open up Maps app on your device. Once you open up your maps, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right and find an option for offline maps here. Tap on it, then you can tap on select your own map. Then you can select a part of the map that you want to download offline. The bigger area you cover, the more the map is going to be in size. As you can see, if I zoom out, it's going to increase the size and it's going to be all the way over 1.3 GB. So I'll just zoom in a bit. I'll go over to Paris and I'll just download a part of Paris. For example, this part. Tap on download. It's going to be 160 MBs. And you can also rename the map by tapping on the three dots. Then tap on rename. I'll just rename the map to Paris. Tap on save. You're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. Let's see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.